Friends, Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is work-life balance amongst women. Life quadrants are, let me tell you the life quadrants. Work, family, friends and self. First, what is that? Work. Second, family. Third, friends. Fourth, self. These are the life quadrants. Life quadrants are work, family, friends, self. Self is last. You are last. First is your work. Second, your family. Third, your friends. Fourth, yourself. Okay? If you follow these quadrants in this order, you will enjoy your life. Without balance, work suffers. Balance, if not there in the person, work suffers. Home suffers. If no balance in life, home suffers. And a woman as an individual suffers. Balance in life required. Where should working women put their priorities? Working women, where they have to put their priorities? Children and their education. Working women have to put for their first priority children and their education. Second, husband. Third, parents. Fourth, job. See, for the women. Work and life are the two sides of the same coin. Work and life, two sides of the same coin. Obverse, reverse. Work and life are intertwined and interconnected. Work and life both intertwined and interconnected. Time management is the key to maintain a perfect equilibrium between family and work. Time management only can bring equilibrium, balance between work and family. So before closing this lecture, I will give you, so far I have given 112 lectures on soft skills. If these lectures are followed by all the people in the world, not in India, not in Britain, not in America, not in Japan, not in Germany, not in China, anywhere in the world, all the people in all countries, if they follow all these 112 lectures on soft skills delivered by me through this medium, there will be a better society in the world, barring religions, castes, creeds, white, black, whatever. That is why soft skills are very important in life. That is why I have given 112 lectures in the form of episodes in this format. All these 112 lectures are to be watched through YouTube in the channel Hariprasad Speaks. The name of the channel is Hariprasad Speaks. If you open this channel, all 112 lectures on soft skills will be there. This Hariprasad Speaks YouTube channel is all in English, not for any other languages. All in English, complete English. People who understand English can only follow this channel, YouTube channel named Hariprasad Speaks. So, very, very important topics, episodes are there in this channel. Please watch this channel. If you like it, subscribe, share the channel content, view it not one time, 2-3 times. Like it. If you don't like it, leave it. Okay? Hariprasad signing off with this lecture. 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Hariprasad signing off. Carpe diem.